Okay, visionary interior design, and the client is Jeremy Ang.
Jeremy Ang.
Hi, I'm Jeremy,
Hi, I'm Vanessa.
and we are the second prize winner of Renopedia's 50k Lucky Draw event. We got to know about Renopedia through social media and by word of mouth. Visionary Interior actually contacted us. Joey, who were our interior designer, actually helped us a lot in our designing process and facilitating the renovation works. Yeah, in fact, Joey was very responsive even when we had many queries, and even until now, after the renovation is done, she's still helping us in many other ways.
Yeah, she's very easygoing, and then even when we are buying like furniture and stuff, right, we text her, we call her, right, she's like prompt lah. She always answer her phones and prompt to reply us through WhatsApp also.
We'll put it to our savings because we actually spend quite a bit on our renovations. So I guess it's sort of like a subsidy to our total spendings. We recommend them to Renopedia because they'll actually link you up to 5 to 8 interior design firms. From there, you actually have choices to pick from. There are also e-magazines available, so on and so forth.
Thank
you, Renopedia.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.